Hello everyone, in this video we're going to take a look at how to use the list widget, and this is going to enable you build more robust applications on Appsmith. My name is Confident and I'm a developer advocate here at Appsmith. Without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so right now we have an empty application that has been connected to a Google Sheet spreadsheet, and this spreadsheet contains book data. As you can see, we are currently reading data from the books sheet, and that data is being fetched into the application using the getBooks query, which has some data coming in right now. We are using the Google Sheet integration, which we have configured. If you do not know how to use the Google Sheet integration, I'm going to leave a link right here to the top corner so that you can go check a video where we explained how to use the Google Sheet integration. Alright, so what we want to do right now is that we want to display the book data that is coming in from the getBook query in the application. And for that, we can use the list widget. So I'm just going to bring in a list widget. And here we have a list widget on the canvas. By default, the list widget has some widgets within it, which are the image and text widgets we have here, right here. And we also have some static data for the list items. So let's go into delete all of this because we would not need to make use of that. And here we have an empty list item. And we can also go in to configure the item data by binding it to the getBooks query that I showed you earlier. So this is going to be getBooks.data. And we have all data coming in from that query connected to the list. Let's go in to display that data by building widgets within the list. So the first widget I would like to drop in would be a text widget, and we can use this to display the book author. So this is going to be author. Alright, so I'm going to reduce this a bit and let's resize this, and that looks good. We can bring in a text widget to actually display the author data. So for the text value, I'm just going to grab the value from the current item. And taking a look at what we have in the evaluated value for current item, you see that we have an object, and we can go in to read the book author from this object. So this is going to be current item.book author. And there we have the book author displayed on the text widget. So I'm just going to expand this a bit. And there we have the author information displayed. Similarly, we can go in to display the book title. So let's drop in a text widget and type in title. Alright, configure this a bit. And we can also reduce the size of this a bit. And let's bring in a new text widget to display the book title. Similarly, this is going to be current item dot book title, and then we have the book title showing up, so I can expand this text and we have the book title displayed on the list. We can also go into display images of each book. So to do that, I'll need to expand this list a bit and expand the item. Alright, let's expand this a bit. Alright, so that looks good. And now I can go in to bring an image widget right here that would help us display the cover image of each book. For the image URL, what I need to do similarly is to type in current item dot image URL. And there we have the cover image of each book displayed. So we can easily page through this using the bottom navigation, and we can browse through to see all books that have been displayed in the list. So this is how you can make use of the list widget. If you have any questions, do let me know in the comment section and I'll definitely answer your questions. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, leave a like, get subscribed, and I'm going to see you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.